Lot number 102 is a 2006 E-450 Super Duty microbus. They call it Handy Bus. That's the true name, Handy Bus. The motor sounds great. It's a 6.0 liter diesel engine. I had to spray some starting fluid in order to get it running, and I noticed that the starter was making a tick 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 noise, but then it engaged and it started fine. So might be a problem may have to attend in the future. Check the starter out, but the motor, once it started, it sounds really nice. Listen to it. Sounds really good. The tires look great. The body is straight except for the roof on the passenger side. I'll show you. Right there you can see the ripple. Starting from here all the way down almost to the end. Okay? It has tinted windows, all the windows open and close properly. The rest of the body is straight. It is a Handy Bus which has a lift, a wheel lift for a handicap, for wheelchairs, and it appears to be complete. The interior is nice. I'll show it to you. It's just dirty and it has some moldy, but other than that, it's in pretty good condition. The floors are good. The ceiling is good. The driver's seat is good. Look at that. It's a manual door opener. All the buttons look good. AC is ice cold in the cab. Doesn't have a radio. It's got 98,000 original miles. Maybe you can see it there. 98,000 miles. The seats have all their seat belts, 3 seat belts per seat. The ceiling is nice. The ripple from the outside did not affect the interior. The interior looks good, like if nothing happened. Okay. 3 seat belts, 3 passenger seat belts. All right, it brings extra fasteners made by Strength. All these are extras. You have all this room back here. This one brings 5 bench seats. Okay, times 3, that's 15 sitting passengers, and you can fit 2 wheelchair passengers back here with the space you have back here. Okay, the lift seems to be okay. It looks good. Did not test it, but we're not testing them, but it appears to be all there. This vehicle still has a sun pass on there, so that means that it was just recently retired. It's got the rear AC. The ceiling's really nice. Alrighty, that's pretty much it. Let me rev it up for you so you can hear it. Sounds really good. The check engine light is on, so that could be a sensor, that could be anything. So got to check it out. Alrighty, well, good luck.